Welcome to Cam's Ninja Foodi Cooking Tips Part 1. In today's show, Cam will be making spiced chicken tenders and spicy boneless chicken.
So let's see what I've got in the pantry. Right, we have some Red Hot Wings Frank's buffalo sauce, that'll do. Some piri piri Nando sauce and some sriracha. Let's use those things to marinate the chicken. So that's the chicken marinated in that nice sauce. Mixture of buffalo, sriracha and Nando sauce. We're just going to pop it in here and then let it marinate in the fridge overnight. We're going to make two varieties of hot chicken today. One with batter, one without. So it's simple batter. We've got flour, we've got egg, we've got breadcrumbs, but also some old tortilla chips. And then they're going to go straight into the fryer. So I've made a little bit of a functional work line, as it were, like a factory work line. So I'm just going to start on that. Yep, so we just crush them up. I'm just going to add them. And then mix. Perfect. So here we go. Take each piece of chicken, just roll it around in that. Flour, just pop it in there for a second. Do the same here. Try not to make too much of a mess. I'm going to take them and breadcrumb them. And get them straight onto the rack, like so. That's a big one. It's alarmingly difficult holding the camera with one hand, and try not to get a mess and make a mess everywhere. So there you have it. And we're ready for the first batch, and so we're going first batch straight into here, into the air fryer, and on it goes. There we have it. And we're going to close it, and we're going to go air crisp, and we're going to go 10 minutes, and we're going to go, and then we're going to come back in 10 minutes. Here we have it, 12 seconds to go. 10, 9, I can't even get a read on this. There you go. A couple more seconds. It's cool. And done. We're ready to open. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Whoa. Still sizzling. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, let's whip these out. What I did forget was to oil them, and so they're not going to flick off easy, are they? No. And so I've come up with this cunning idea of actually turning it and flipping it off like that. I'm going to do the job properly. Got some spray light. Sprayed, and on goes the chicken. time a bit closer together because I've got a lot more chicken. Okay, and now I have the drippy chicken, let's call it. That just needs to go on. Oh. There we go, that is drippy. Okay. This was the first set. This is the second set going in. Okay, let's just pick this up. Oop. Got it all on my fingers. There we go. In it goes. Shut. And then we go. Air crisp. Air crisp. 10 minutes. And oh, try again. Air crisp. And go. 10 minutes. Back in a bit. Couple of seconds left to go again. So this is the plain chicken and a little bit of the breaded chicken. And they're both spicy, obviously. So let's just see how they come out. 10 minutes might be a little bit too long because they go a little bit brown. So maybe 8 minutes is probably better time. So let's just see what happens here. And done. Here we go. Let me get rid of that. Oh, wow, that's a good colour. That's a very good colour. Now the problem is to get at them. So let's spin them around. Try and get there them without burning my fingers, without dropping. Oh, that's good. Wait. There we go. It's magic. It's a good chicken. So let's get them off. And then let's just nip these out. There we go. Get rid of that into the sink. A little bit stuck together because they were close. But so these are the breaded ones and these are the non-breaded ones. So a little bit saucy still, but still cooked. Here's the final plateful, and these are the chickens without the batter, and they're very, very nice. They actually taste a little bit like Nando's, and they're very, very nice. And these are the ones that are the crispy ones, which are also very, very nice. But these are the nicer ones, the non-battered ones. So in future, I think we'll just be eating the non-battered ones. Look at that. Beautiful.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and follow me, and if I get more than 1,000 likes, then I will make more. My advice to anyone watching this is to go to Costco today or go online and buy one of these fantastic machines that any kitchens shouldn't be without. Happy eating!